So right now I'm going to compare two speakers from Zealot, the Zealot S95 and the Zealot S89. Both speakers were released not too long ago by Zealot, so we're going to hear which one actually play better among these two new speakers from Zealot. The total output power for the Zealot S95 is 120 watts and the total output power for the Zealot S89 is 250 watts. And if you got those headphones, this is definitely the right time to use them, or you play from a louder speaker so you get a better sound experience. The reason for this sound comparison is to see how both speakers stack up against each other regarding sound. So if you're looking to get one for yourself, I hope this comparison helps you make a better decision. Or if you're curious to know which one play better, I hope this enlightens you. So don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And if you like the beat that I'll be using in this comparison, you can check out those beats on this channel. I've actually uploaded some beats on this channel, so you can go check them out. And you can also drop a like and support. The Zealot S95 looks like this. The Zealot S89 is more expensive compared to the Zealot S95, and for purchase link you can check out the description in this video. And the Zealot S89 looks like this. Regarding size, the Zealot S89 is bigger compared to the Zealot S95, and the Zealot S89 came with a strap and a handle, but sadly the Zealot S95 came with just a strap. During the sound comparison, I'm going to be switching from one EQ to another. You know, the Zealot has the 3 dedicated EQ, which is the bass, the vocal boost, and the normal EQ. So we're going to be switching on all 3 EQs. And if you're interested to know more information regarding their future price and all that, you can check out previous video on this channel. Today we're just going to be focusing on which one actually plays better among these two speakers. So without further ado, let the sound comparison begin. %50 volume, normal EQ.
Catch the wind in my veins from the
Okay, without a doubt, the Zealot S89 definitely sound better compared to the Zealot S95. The Zealot S95 is definitely massive as well, but the Zealot S89 is just another level. So if you're looking for something with more loudness, more bass, and bigger, the Zealot S89 is definitely the right choice for you. But if you're looking for something a little bit more portable, with massive sound as well, the Zealot S95 got you covered. So thank you so much. That's it for today's video. Until next time, stay safe out there.